Hi everyone, I am Amala Teresa Paul from Neetu's Academy. Have you ever faced an IELTS speaking question and thought, I have no idea what to say? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to handle such situations with confidence even when you know very little about it. The most important thing to remember is, IELTS speaking is not a knowledge test, but a language test. That means your fluency, vocabulary and grammar matter more than the accuracy of your content. So what do you do when you don't know an answer? Be honest but keep talking. It's perfectly fine to say, I am not very familiar with the topic, but I'll try to answer. This shows your confidence and helps you buy a few seconds to think. The second tip is to use general ideas and imagination. You can say, I don't know much about this, but I guess, or maybe if I had to guess, I'd say. This way, you're still demonstrating your ability to speak. The next step is to bring it back to your personal experiences. Even if you don't know the topic well, you can relate it to your life. Imagine a question like this. What are the most famous traditional food in your country? You can try saying, well, I'm not an expert in traditional cuisine, but in my family, we often have dishes like biryani and dosa, which I believe is quite common in many regions. The final tip is to give examples and compare. If you are stuck, try relating it to something you do know and make comparisons. For example, if a question is about traditional puppet shows and you have no idea about it, you can say something like this. I've never seen traditional puppet shows, but I've seen folk dances which I think serve a similar cultural purpose. So to sum up, even if you don't know the exact answer, you can still be honest and keep speaking, use general ideas or guess logically, talk about your personal experiences, and give examples or comparisons. Remember, silence is your enemy. Keep the conversation flowing and the examiner will be impressed by your communication skills. Thanks for watching and all the best.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.